Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I'm all wrapped up, it was lashing it down before. Just having a little break in the weather now. So I'll just do the intro quickly. We're in Anglesey today, trying out a new mark. Never fished it before. Hoping for a couple of bass. But the conditions against us today is east northeasterly wind and turned into northeast, which made the sea flat calm, and it's showing rain all night. So currently about nearly 8 o'clock, coming to low water. It's fairly flat beach, so it's going to be hard work here. I think once the tide's pushing in. So got my sand spikes out. And a bit of a weed floating about, so kept the tip high as possible. Didn't last long, and I found a doggy first cast on a lugworm that pumped on Thursday, so I still got some left over using them. Just me and my friend Cover fishing here. He suggested it to fish here. He found it on the map. We've just been looking at Google Maps and then thinking this might be the best beach to fish. Yeah, vicious luck. Hopefully the rain stops. It's kind of stopped now. Got my 2 rods out. Probably can't see. Just my usual bass setup really. Forum bait. Paired with Shimano 10,000, nice and light reel, and me with Shelly paired with the pen spin fisher. One got 3 hook flopper, the other one got my usual 1 up 1 down bass rigs. Yeah, got a fresh look. I've got some squid with me as well, so I might try them in a bit. And Kawa been out this morning pumping. He got about 80 worms, mainly yellowtails. So we got the right bait. Hoping for bass here. Maybe chance of gilthead looking at the ground.
Silver bar in the dark.
Hey?
Silver
bar in the dark, yeah. It's
patch. Bite on the right.
Did I?
Yeah. One bite.
It could be the wind. Well, we'll get back to you if you get anything, guys. It's gonna be hard filming. I've got my what's it called, medium on, so it's got a microphone. It might damage the microphone. Anyway, get back to you in a bit. Right guys, welcome back. Change of mark. That first mark was awful. It was a dog fest, unfortunately. When it's flat calm, you do get loads of dogs around here in Anglesey. Now we fish in a more comfortable mark. Not sure if you can see the railings behind me, but yeah, you might recognise the mark. We had a couple of casts here so far, another doggish, and Kava just missed a good bite. He reckoned it wasn't a doggy. I've got a squid bait on a pulley panel and a 3 hook flopper. There we go. Fish on. Fella. Could be another doggy. Dug it on with 2 guys on a squid. It was the same bait I chucked out again. I don't think we're gonna get through these woof woofs this evening.
Woof woof party today.
Yeah, woof woof party. Plenty of them out there. Blame the easterly wind. This side of the island, it's nice and sheltered. Plus the easterly wind, we didn't want to travel far. So end up in a Holyhead. Hopefully get through these greedy buggers and I get something else. Well, the chance of bass here smooth aren't. Plenty of woof woofs. Probably some wrasse. I'll get this on hook now. It's struggling to take the hook out. Hopefully get through this greedy woof woofs and get back to you with a nice fish. Fingers crossed, guys. Boom boom! Finally, guys. A silver bar. Not massive. Let's have a look if it's in size or not. Oh. Yep. Well in size. There we go. 45, 46 centimeters.
Yep, that's the one. Nice and chunky.
Yep.
Well done.
Thank you, bro. Anyway, really worked hard for this, didn't we? Can't get through the doggies. How many doggies have we had now? About 2 out of here.
6, 7 almost.
And you had few as well. And just baiting up on my other rod with the squid pulley panel. Looked up, rod going crazy, start climbing me. I had to like winch it up over the wall. Managed to land it. As soon as I land it, the hook come out. Get in, guys.
Hey.
Well, guys, happy with that. Worked very hard for that. So lucky to land it as well. About, what's that, about 6-7 foot drop. Winched it up over the railings. As soon as I landed it, spot the hook. So it was lightly hooked. Water's not in all the way. I could have gone to the right to the steps and it landed there, but there's no water there. So still about 2.5 hours to high water. Forgot to mention, I never fished here before. Can be a very good mark if you can get through the dogfish. That was on the freshly pumped yellowtails. Now I've got my black look on. Get this out now, hopefully find some more bass. That's a bait. One up, one down. Legendary bass rig, guys. Never fails me. By far the best all-round sea fishing rig. One up, one down. Any bottom feeders goes for the bottom trays. Hence I've kept the hook size small. 2/0 chinny and a 3/0 circle there. And the top trays 3/0 and a 3/0 circle. Right, get this out now. Hopefully get some more bass. We'll probably fish it to high water and then pack it.
This is my first eel.
Yeah, is it? Yeah?
Yeah.
First ever silver eel, slimy one. Proper slimy these are.
Are they eatable?
Nah.
Nah. Put in the fish tank.
Yeah, put it in a fish tank as a pet.
Yeah.
Yeah, another species. Good luck on looking it. But last hour of the flood. Gone very quiet since the bass. I had another doggy. Not been bothering with it, filming the doggies. Yeah, very quiet. Got a pre-made while I've been waiting for the bite. Just having a spare rig ready. 3 flapper with the beads, 1 Aberdeen up on it. It's ideal to scratch about. But I've got a running ledger on the left. And my bass rig on the right, 1 up, 1 down. I've tried squid, but I can't get through the dogfish with it, so every cast getting dogfish. So switch back to lugworm. Yeah, just good to try different marks, new marks here in Holyhead. That beach mark was a flat calm. Glad we moved from there. With these big tides would have been hard work moving all the time. The tide would have pushed in very fast. So I came here for a bit of a laser fishing really. I know some big bass came out of here in the past. We hit the target anyway, got our bass, but only the one. It's not been very predictive on the bass recently. But you should start getting some nice bass now, coming to that time of year now. End of September, October, beginning of November, get some decent bass, some big ones. I'm on to 91 bass for the year. You will see the video before this. We've been out, me and my little lads, Craig and Oliver. My lads reeled all the bass in, so I'm not counting them, so otherwise it would have been 93. I had 2 bass out then. But yeah, I think we'll fish it to high water and then get packing, I think. Yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully winkle another bass out of here. If not, just been nice day out, other than being soaked early on, but rain holding at the moment, so hopefully no more rain. But anything else we'll get back to you guys. We got a visitor, guys, visitor. Pussycat. You can have the next doggy. That's it, guys. Time to go home. Fortunately, not been the most productive session. We had plenty of fish, just not the fish we were after. We caught more than a dozen between us, dogfish. but a still wrinkled 46cm bass, and cover had a silver eel. Definitely come back here again. Not sure about the first mark. It was pretty flat calm there, hence we got loads of dogfish. Definitely a potential there. Loads of kelpie weeds and rocky patches where bass usually likes feeding around, looking for sand eels and crabs and all the other shellfish around the rocks. Might give it a go when the wind direction's right there. But fishing this mark, nice, easy, pretty much fishing off your car. Ideal really, just nice lazy fishing. Still got one rod out, just literally down the wall here. I just thought maybe drop it down, might get something else, but nothing on it yet. Give another few minutes on that and get packing. I think nearly high water. We've been on the road since 5 p.m. No, 4 p.m. I have. Nearly 2 a.m. now. So hopefully made it to this far, guys. Thanks for watching. Probably be back out on the next weekend now. Monday morning now. I'm on night shift, so won't be out till earliest Friday, if not over the weekend. So stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching and see you soon, guys.